February the 1st is in the books here on Wall Street. Here's the New York Minute. Now, it was a generally strong day for equity markets around the world while bond yields generally rose, but over here action was dominated by the FOMC meeting. Now, we started the day with quite strong numbers from the ADP. This is a good leading indicator for the employment data that we'll get later in the week, and that led to a sharp rise in two-year bond yields, very interest rate sensitive, but as you can see, that fell right back down to earth once we actually heard from the Fed. They did very little to stoke the prospects of a rate rise at its next meeting in March. As a result, as you can see, the Fed funds futures market barely raised its own probability that we'll see that. It still sees it as only really a 1 in 3 shot. I think still that they're understating that. They do have 2 more sets of employment data to go before then. Meanwhile, Apple produced absolutely fantastic results. Without Apple, equity markets would have been down quite considerably. As it was, we were in the black for the day. And that's the New York Minute.